Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be quick to the point and we're just going to get this over with because I have been teetering back and forth on this product for 2.5 months now, and I think I've finally decided that I don't like it. So we are talking about the Dyson Airwrap. Yes, the Dyson Airwrap, the legendary product that everybody talks about, everybody raves about. People say you must have this, it's the best thing ever. I have watched pretty much every single video out there that YouTubers have made. I've watched all of the tutorials on the Dyson website. I have watched it all, right? They got me. They made me really want the product. So I waited for like a year. I sat on it for like a year. And during the last Sephora sale, so April 2021, I decided to go ahead and finally bite the bullet, spend $500 on a product to style my hair. So when I first bought the product, my hair was really long. It was pretty much down to my waist. I was able to tuck it into the top of my pants. So I had to buy the long barrel attachments, which is the first thing I don't like about the Dyson. I think they should offer a short hair version and a long hair version. I think it's absolutely ridiculous to spend $550 on a product to then have to buy more attachments for it if you have long hair. I think it should be all inclusive in some form or fashion. So as you can see on the box, it comes with these barrels right here. So it comes with 2 of each, and the reason why it comes with 2 is because one curls your hair this way and the other one curls your hair that way. One of them is tapered, one of them is a little bit fatter. So if you have long hair, you have to buy another set of each. I just bought one set. I bought the more skinny one, but in theory you would have to buy both if you wanted both of them for your long hair. So those are an additional $40 each. So already you can see here I spent $550. I got it during the sale, so I did get a discount, but plus $40 for the attachment. When you spend that much money on a product to style your hair, you expect that your hair is going to be absolutely amazing, right? First thing I will let you guys know up front is I did curl my hair with this Dyson this morning. This is about 3 hours, actually exactly 3 hours after I curled my hair, and you can tell it is not curly anymore. It's actually poofy, it's kind of frizzy, especially like in the middle here, and it has most definitely lost its curl. And it didn't take 3 hours to lose its curl, it took about 20 minutes to lose its curl. So I have a picture, like a progression of my hair throughout the day. So I have one right after I curled it, it looks pretty dang good. Then I have one that's like 10 minutes, 20 minutes later, where it's like a little bit more flat. Then I have one of now, where it looks like this. And let me tell you guys, I have tried every single tip, trick, hack in the book. I've watched all the videos, I've read all the reviews, I've done it all. I've done the cold shot, I've done wet hair, dry hair, damp hair, squirt bottle hair, hairspray hair, heat protectant hair. I mean, I've done it all. I even cut my hair, you guys, to see if having shorter hair would make it work. And it didn't matter. The length of my hair didn't matter. So I'll insert a picture of when I curled my hair when it was long, and that was about 3 hours after I curled it as well. It looks very similar, where it's just gone completely flat. So in my opinion, I think the curling attachments are a complete bust. Just to give you guys a little bit of an idea, this is about 3 hours after curling my hair with a hot tool. It's the T3 curling wand. And yeah, it's still pretty curly. But as you can see, it comes with more than just the curling wands. I do think the curling wands are definitely like the biggest selling point for the product, which was the biggest fail for me. But it does come with these 2 like straightening brushes, and then also the round brush. And it also comes with the drying attachment, so it can be a hair dryer as well. I will say I do really like the drying attachment. I think the head is a little bit on the small side. I do wish it had more of a coned shape to it so I can target parts of my hair a little bit better. But overall, you know, it worked, it did its job. I do like the fact that you can attach all of these to the same like body, which is really nice. I loved the round brush attachment. That was most definitely my favorite part of the entire Airwrap. I do wish there was a bigger round brush, especially when you have longer hair, because this one is a little bit on the smaller side, but you know, you get what you can get. I was kind of indifferent about the two smoothing brushes. One of them is a firm smoother, one of them is a soft smoother. I will say, I think they both did very similar things to my hair. I think that my hair was slightly frizzy after each one. They're definitely not as good as using a like straightening iron. If you want your hair pin straight with no frizz, definitely stick with a straightening iron. But I think overall, like it did a good job of drying my hair, straightening my hair. That round brush was amazing. But you guys, the curling attachments were such a bust. So needless to say, I will not be keeping this Dyson in my collection. Sadly, I'm past my return date because it has been almost, well, it's been 2.5 months. So I can either try to get store credit or, you know, find somebody to sell it to here. But, you know, I know that it does seem to work for some people. Possibly it's my hair type, my hair texture that isn't holding a curl. My hair has no problem holding a curl for a curling wand. I mean, my hair stays perfectly fine for multiple days curled with a curling wand. Even the cheap ones like Hot Tools, and you know, I have a more expensive one by T3, and my hair stays pretty dang curly with all of those. But you know, for some reason the air curling doesn't work for me. So that is it. I will stop blabbing now. I wanted to be short, quick, to the point so you guys can carry on with your day. But yeah, in my opinion, I definitely do not think it's worth $550. I don't think it's worth it even if you can get it on sale. I do think if you can find some sort of drying round brush thing, that might be something to look into. I know Dry Bar makes one, Revlon makes one. I have the Revlon one. So maybe try something like that. But as far as the curling attachments go, just stick to a curling wand or a curling iron, in my humble opinion. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and listening to my opinion on all of this, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.